Sonata Blue, what it do? So for those of you that don't know, Kanye's supposed to give Beanie Siegel $50 million and 5% of Yeezy stock.
I just got a phone call from a the other day.
What they say, man?
He said, "See, I owe you $50 million and 5% stock in Yeezy."
All because he came up with the name Yeezy. I ain't gonna hold you. I don't know if I believe that one. But what Kanye also could be doing is paying Beanie Siegel for the time he saved Kanye from getting robbed for his Rockefeller chain and his polo tube socks. So one time Kanye was chilling at a diner, right? And he with a couple of his homies eating beef stroganoff with the caviar on the side, sipping Dom Perignon and all that. And some random dirty Brooklyn niggas just pulled up a seat at their table. And that kind of remind me of this one time when I was at Applebee's with this little Thotty Yachty from the hood, right? And I ain't gonna front, she kind of looked like a tadpole, but she had a fatty and I wanted the Dougie in that coochie, you feel me? So we eating our little 2 for $20 and all that, and Dyke Booty and May popped out of nowhere like Chucky. And she pulls up a seat to our table like we invited her something. So she mad saying how she hate me, how I got the shrimp and they got a turtleneck, but she lying though. She cursing, talking about how she'll never go ooh in my ear no more. But moving on. So niggas pulled up a seat to Kanye's table, right? And lucky for Kanye, the dudes that sat down, mothers taught them manners cause they were some polite criminals. They waited for Kanye to finish his beef stroganoff and come outside, but Kanye lost his appetite. So he panicking, telling Jesus to save him. He tucked in his chain and all that. So then he takes out his phone and sent out like a emergency group text to like the dudes in Rockefeller. 911, come quick. Craig's in trouble. These niggas about to send me to go see Uncle Charles, y'all. Whatever they say, but moving on. So Kanye sent out the Yeezy bat signal and Dame Dash, Beanie Siegel, and a few others rushed to his location. I don't know how long it took them, but if you ask Kanye, he gonna say it took them niggas forever. So when they finally come, Kanye like, boy, I'm glad you guys are here. And he was ready to leave. He wanted to go home and go to sleep. He had a stressful day.
They had chairs pulled up to his table where he was eating at with his friends, and they wasn't eating.
And Beanie sit down, and nigga got the Mac on his waist. You know what I'm saying? Nigga like, Kanye, take your chain out, nigga. Fuck you got your chain tucked. Yeah. You know, Kanye ready to leave. Nigga, sit there and eat your food.
He told that nigga to sit down and eat like he was his father. He was tired of that nigga running around and fucking his house up all day. It was time to eat and go to bed. But anyways, the guys that was gonna rob him was still there.
And the dudes that was gonna rob him was still there. And I could tell they was Brooklyn niggas. And they like, yo, what up? And Mac like, what up? What up?
Rock La Familia, we was the family. So taking from him at that time was like taking from me.
I still owe Beanie money, and I've been trying to give him this money for a minute.
Really? How you owe him money though? I don't understand.
Because he made up the name Yeezy.